Welcome to the match. Like and subscribe for more chess excitement. This is a book move. The opening is called King's Pawn Game.
Pawn to e5.
Knight to c3.
This is a book move. The opening is called Vienna Game, folk beer variation.
Knight to f3 is the best move.
Knight to c6 is the best move.
Pawn to d3.
Pawn to h6 is good. Knight to a5 is best. This attacks the bishop.
Knight from file g to e2 is excellent. This develops a knight. Pawn to f4 is best. This offers a trade.
Bishop to c5 is best. This develops a bishop.
Kingside castle is the best move.
Pawn to d6 is excellent. This defends a bishop on c5. Knight to a5 is best. This attacks the bishop. This move gains a tempo.
Knight to a4 is best. This attacks the bishop.
Bishop to b6.
Knight captures on b6 is excellent. This is a trade. This traps a bishop. Kingside castle is best.
Pawn captures on b6.
Bishop to d2 is excellent. This develops a bishop. Kingside castle is best.
Pawn to d5 is good. This offers a trade. This attacks the bishop. Bishop to e6 is best. This offers a trade. This develops a bishop.
Pawn captures on d5 is best. This is a trade. This attacks the knight.
Knight captures on d5 is the best move.
Kingside castle is best.
Kingside castle is the best move.
Pawn to f4 is the best move.
Pawn captures on f4 is excellent. This is a trade. Knight captures on f4 is best.
Knight captures on f4 is best.
Knight captures on f4 is best. This is a trade.
Bishop captures on f4 is good. Rook captures on f4 is best. This spins a piece of the opponent to the king.
Knight to a5 is best. This attacks the bishop.
Bishop to b3 is excellent. This offers a trade. This spins a piece of the opponent to their king. Pawn to c3 is best.
Knight captures on b3 is best. This is a trade.
Pawn captures on b3 is best.
Rook captures on a1 is best. This is a trade. This develops a rook.
Queen captures on a1 is best. This defends a pawn on b2.
Bishop to e6.
Queen to e1 is the best move.
Queen to d5 is excellent. This defends a pawn on b7. Bishop to d5 is best. This defends a pawn on b7.
Queen to c4 is excellent. This offers a trade. This attacks the pawn. Queen to e4 is best. This offers a trade.
Pawn to c6.
Queen captures on d5 is best. This is a trade.
Bishop captures on d5 is best. The game is over. It ended in a draw.